vegetals. Ooh. Today I'll be eating these pumpkin buns with pork filling. I'll be using my foldable steamer device thing. Gotta fill it with water and plug this baby in. Alright, let's turn it on. Now we wait for the water to boil. Okay, I think it's ready. Now I'm gonna put this steam rack like this. Let's open this packet. Ooh, it looks kind of yellowy. I'm gonna try to fit all 4 in. 1, 2. Oh no, I can only fit 3. Okay, so I decided to steam 2 at a time. Let's cover it. According to the instructions, I'm supposed to steam it for 20 minutes. That's quite a long time. But then again, it's from frozen, so I understand. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. I'm gonna put these on my plate. Now we're gonna steam the last 2. Ooh, there's chunks of ice in there. Now we'll give these 20 minutes. While the 2 remaining buns are downstairs steaming, I'm going to eat these while it's still hot. Always remember to remove this paper thing. I admit there were times where I ate these by accident. I didn't swallow it. Let's see the inside. Holy. As you can see, here's the meat. Where's the pumpkin though? Is that the pumpkin? I can't taste the pumpkin. Oh wait, it's very faint. Let's put some meat in there. Oh my god, it's so juicy. You can see there's some veggies too. So it's slightly healthy. Alright, let's try it with the pork. I can sort of taste mushrooms. Good thing I love mushrooms. Oh, my fingers are all greasy. I should have worn gloves for this one. Look how delicious that looks. And the bun is super fluffy. I admit, when I saw pumpkin bun on the outside of the packaging, I assumed the bun would be in the shape of a pumpkin. As you can see. Or at least put some chunks of pumpkin inside. There's like 0 pumpkin. Or maybe there is, but I can't taste any. Ooh, the pork juice is spilling all over me. Despite the lack of pumpkin, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. Because the meat makes up for it. Yeah, I can never be a vegan. I also have this grape flavored ramen. I rarely drink fizzy drinks, but there are times where I just crave it. I can hear my neighbors fidgeting next door. Oops. Oh, this one's got hair on it. I think it's my hair. Or it could be some random Asian person's hair. There's quite quite a lot of gaps in there. They could have just filled the pumpkin in those gaps. I know you're not watching this, but take these tips. I've had pork buns before, but this one, I've never had one with meat that is so, like, juicy. It's like there's a teeny bit of broth in there. Each time I take a bite of the meat, I can feel the juices squirting in my mouth. Don't worry, I'm not talking about your meat. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm trying to avoid it squirting, so I'm like... Ow. That was so delicious. Now it's time for me to pick up the last two. Alright guys, ready for the last two? Ready for round two? You know what to do. That's right, peel the paper off. Oh, it's got a bit stuck. There's always that little piece. This always happens. One half has the meat and one half doesn't. And now I gotta split the meat and have the meat juices all over me again. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm kinda complaining. I admit, when I saw the brown meat, I really thought it was beef. I mean, the packaging says pork, so it has to be pork. It is pork, right? Whenever I eat hot food, I feel that fizzy drinks wash it down a lot better. Ooh, that was juicy. Come on, split the meat, split the meat. I finally did it. Ooh, these are quite fitting. Luckily, this is the last piece. Cheers! Thank you for watching.